Today I'm looking at the world of nostalgia and exploring the recent resurgence of cassette tapes. That's right, those little plastic rectangles with magnetic tape inside are making a comeback. So let's find out why cassette tapes are fun and worth using today. First and foremost, the nostalgia factor. Nostalgia plays a huge role in the cassette tape revival. For many people, cassettes bring back memories of simpler times when we'd spend hours making mixtapes for friends and recording our favourite songs off the radio, trying to make sure that you didn't get the ends chopped off. That there's something special about the tactile experience of holding a cassette, inserting it into a tape deck and pressing the play button. You get that lovely satisfying clunk. Now let's talk about the sound quality, because while digital music has its advantages, there's a certain warmth and character to the sound of analogue tapes that many people find appealing. That slight imperfections in the hiss of the cassette can actually enhance the listening experience, making it feel more authentic and personal. In fact, the sound of cassettes is often compared to vinyl records, but without the pops and scratches. And considering that so much music is played on phones and other digital devices, the sound quality of a cassette on a run-of-the-mill deck is more than equal to what the majority of people are used to. Another reason why cassettes are fun and worth using today is the art of creating a mixtape. In the digital age, it's easy to create playlists, but there's something special about the effort and thought that goes into making a mixtape. It's a tangible gift that you can give to somebody, share with somebody, and it shows that you've put time and thought into selecting the perfect songs for them. Not only have you decided on the title of the song, you've had to put it to tape. It's an hour-long mixtape. It's taken you a couple of hours to make. So it's well worth doing. And then we've got independent artists. It's a lot easier and cheaper for people to give away a cassette than it is to give away a USB stick or something similar to that. So therefore, the cassette tape revival has been a boon for independent artists and for record labels. Many musicians are now releasing their music on cassette, and as it's a cost-effective way to produce physical copies of their work. By purchasing these tapes, not only are you given a unique listening experience, you're also supporting the artists you love. Let's talk about collectibility and the appeal of owning physical media. In a world where streaming services dominate, owning a physical copy of your favourite album or mixtape can feel really special. Cassettes are compact, visually appealing, and often come with unique artwork and packaging. Collecting cassettes can be fun and rewarding hobby for music enthusiasts, but don't forget there is also a lot of cassettes available at places like charity shops, flea markets and stuff like that. House clearances, there's plenty of them around. Go to charity shops, you can get complete collections for very little money. Collecting cassettes can be a fun and rewarding hobby for music enthusiasts. You get to see and hear somebody's cassette collection. You get to see and hear music you've never heard of before, but you wish you had, and now you have. And what's more, it's not disappeared on the cloud, it's in your hand. It's actually in your hand. Right, so then we get to the audiophile snobs and the haters of the cassette. I don't know why they exist. They just have to say something. But we now know that there's some audiophile snobs who might dismiss cassettes as inferior to other formats. But it's important to remember that music is a personal experience, and what matters the most is how it makes you feel. If you enjoy the sound and experience of listening to a cassette, don't let anyone's opinion deter you. Embrace your love for this retro format and share it with others who appreciate it too. After all, music is meant to bring people together, not create divisions. It really is a case that the cassette tapes are making a comeback for a variety of reasons, from nostalgia and for the sound quality to supporting independent artists and the joy of collecting. If you're a fan of this retro format and curious to give it a try, don't hesitate to dive in and explore the world of cassette tapes. And remember, don't let the haters get you down. Enjoy your music the way you want to. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, comment and subscribe for more content like this. Please ring the notification bell, and I'll see you another time. Cheers.